Dissolve the honey in the warm water. Stir in the yeast and set aside until foamy. On a separate bowl, measure 3 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour and add in 1½ teaspoon of salt. Then, pour in the yeast mixture into the center of the flour, using a mixing spoon. Add a tablespoon of olive oil into the dough and use your hands to mix it in. Cover it with damp towel and let it rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we are going to do the first set of stretching and folding. Dip your hands in the water, then use your wet hands to pick one side of the dough. Rotate the bowl until you've done 4 sets of folding and stretching. 4 sets of folds with 30-minute interval. After the 4th set of folds, transfer the dough to an oiled form. Gently stretch it to the size of the form. Add a tablespoon of oil on top of the dough. Cover it and let it rest for 40 minutes. It's time to dimple the dough and add your toppings. Bake in the oven for 25 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. It tasted very, very good.